Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to restore or get back your old volume control user interface on your Windows 10 computer. So if you ever try to check out your volume interface, so just by left clicking on the speaker button, you notice that it appears different than maybe it did on Windows 7. So this tutorial will show you guys how to restore back the classic look that some of you guys might prefer. So it should be a pretty straightforward tutorial today. And we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. You want to type in regedit, so regedit. One of the best managers should say regedit here. You want to right click on it and then left click on Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control window, you want to select yes. Now on the left side here, you want to head over to HKey local machine, and now either you want to double click on the folder itself or left click on the little arrow next to it to expand the view. And now you want to do the same thing for the software folder, and now the same thing for the Microsoft folder. And if you notice it's getting a little cramped in here, you can just drag this bar over in the middle and just drag it over to the right so you can better see where we're navigating to. And I'm going to now go down to Windows, and if you're getting lost, you can also look at the path up here. That might be able to help some of you guys out. So now I'm going to be looking for a folder that says Windows NT. I'm going to expand this one as well. Now there's a folder that says current version. I'm going to expand that one. Now I'm going to go down and just left click on current version here. And now over the current version folder, you want to right click, left click on new, and then left click on key. So now you want to name this key. It's very important. You want to type in MTCUVC. So again, MTCUVC. Then you want to hit enter on your keyboard. Once you've done that, now you want to right click on this newly created subfolder or subkey in here. And then you want to left click on new, left click on dword 32-bit value. Now you want to name it enable MTC. Notice the spelling here and how I have the M as capital, so MTC. And then you want to type in U, the capital U, lowercase VC. So it should say enable MTC UVC. And the E in enable is capital, the M in MTC is capital, and the U in UVC is capital. Once you have it how it appears on my screen, you want to hit enter to save that change. And now you want to right click on this entry, left click on modify. Now where it says edit dword 32-bit value, and that's what it should say at this point, you want to make sure the value is set to 0. And once it is set to 0, you want to press OK. And now once you have done that, if we head over to the volume icon down here, you can see we've gone back the old mixer logo. So definitely cool. You guys saw that worked, and you didn't even have to restart your computer either. So 2-in-1 bonus, I guess. So as always, I do hope this brief video was able to help you guys out. And as always, I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.